we are Aztec Dynamic Solutions, for short ADS, and today we will be presenting our GumaPro system. Throughout the process of our 370 journey, our team stood for many things, but our primary goal was to aim for the 4 S's of retrospective. Our team's synergy, satisfaction, standard, and strategy. Our team members are introduced as follows: Relebogile, who was the group leader and in charge of back-end code; Matsejo, who was in charge of the BA and code; Danley, who was the head of the UI; Nundumiso, who was the project manager and in charge of BA; and Bea, who was in charge of the back-end code and BA. Client Sianda Ndebele is the owner of Guma Protection Services, and Guma Protection Services is a security company located in Rotoport, Johannesburg. The company was founded in 2016 by 2 brothers. Growing up, Sianda got exposed and learned the ropes of the security industry from his uncle, who has also owned a security company. At university, Sianda and his older brother Siyabonga Ndebele took on security jobs to supplement their income, and this helped in furthering their knowledge in the security services industry, which led them to creating their own security company called Guma Protection Services. Our client asked for us to formulate an employee management system which can also handle paper-based administrative basis work. The requested whole system will require a filtering process, a validation process, and an employee assigning and rating section, in addition to multiple administrative tasks. A summary of the goal of the system is to make sure our clients' administrative responsibilities are minimized and for the access of their potential employees to be reviewed in a timely manner. Good day, this is our GumaPro start page. This is a static page that our system begins on. And on our start page, we have information about our client. Our start page contains the Guma Protection Services information, such as the vision, mission, values, and the services that the business offers, as well as contact information for the business. On the next tab, relevant tab, will be the login. And in the login, I will log in as the director of the system, entering the password. Which will be redirected to the home dashboard of the system. The dashboard contains 3 different tabs, which displays the recruitment, employment, and equipment. And after I have gone into the dashboard of the system, I can go into any of the other tabs on the nav bar, which contains the recruitment, employment, equipment, authorization, scheduling, and the reports. Each nav bar is auto-generated dependent on a person's authorization on the system. As I logged in as the director has authorization to everything on the system. So now I will demonstrate the employment CRUD.
From the dashboard, you'll click the employees drop-down option, where you will get a list of all of the employees on the system. You can then hit the add employee button. From there, we can then just add an employee. We'll just call him Ben. We can then just add a photo for this employee and click the next button. We will then add their address. Select the province, city, and town. We'll then enter their medical aid details. add a medical aid number, and then click next. We will then add the next of kin details, and click next. And then finally, on the last dialog, we can then add the employee's SIRA credentials. So we'll then add this SIRA certificate number, select the date of when their certificate will expire, select their certificate type. This is a SIRA certificate, and then we can just upload a PDF of their certificate as well. We then click submit, and it says an employee has been successfully added on.
Employee has been added. I will go to the equipment tab in the navbar to add a drone. Drone name, new drone, manufacturer name, let's just say Huawei, as an example, no spaces in the name, validation checks, model number 89, and drone status in service, add. The new drone has been successfully added to the system. Toaster notification we have put up for update. New drone has been updated successfully. And the next tab of the system is the authorization, which contains the users, the roles, and the audit log. So the most current user, which is added to the system, is displayed here below. Previously, we had added an employee by the name of Lindawiso Shange, and that is what is displayed here below.
Now we'll start with the system's application process. This process begins when a potential applicant clicks on careers on the system's landing page to view all of the available job listings. The applicant will select a job posting for which they wish to apply for. Following that, the applicant will be required to enter their details, upload their CV, and click apply. The system will then redirect the applicant to the login system, prompting the applicant to log in. When the applicant logs into the system, they will be able to see all of the available job listings. The applicant will therefore open the navbar and click on My Applications to see the application they've just submitted. as well as track the status of their application. To proceed with the application process, the administrator or the director must be logged in. The director should be able to view all of the applications in the system. And now we will begin with the vetting process. The director will click Vet, and this will open the vet application details. And this will contain the application information, the applicant CV, and the serial credentials. The director can view the applicant's CV, and now we will verify the serial credentials. After verifying the applicant's serial credentials, the director will verify the application and then decide to reject the application or shortlist the applicant. After shortlisting the applicant, the admin will then schedule an interview with the applicant.
Security service schedule, the user can update a security service record by clicking on the actions item to update a specific record. The user can update the client booking, choose a select date that they wish, adjust the start and end times, let's do this, and finally change the number of cards that are assigned to that specific booking. And also the drones. By clicking update, the record will be updated on the system, as we can see with this notification toast. With regards to our report, the director can first and foremost select the report start date and the report end date. By clicking on generate filtered reports, the director can see the number of reports that were bookings that occurred during a specific period, which in our case is between the 2nd of August till the 3rd of October. The director can also choose to view the graph for the specific report so that they can see the distribution much better. Up next, the director on another report, same thing, they can select the report start date and the report end date. And as previously, when they click generate report, they can generate results. As you can see here, for our employee booking report, we show the total number of bookings for the specific employees we have, and in the end we have the total number of bookings as well. The director can also choose to print the report so that they can have it in PDF version. As we can see here, here's the report that we just printed right now.
And that was the GumaPro system. The GumaPro system is a scheduling and employee management system meant to help Guma protection services to schedule their guards, manage their availability, capture performance and disciplinary warnings, as well as schedule them to their various tasks. The system also allows the director to view various reports which help him to see how his employees as well as resources are being distributed. and we hope that this GumaPro system will allow the company to excel and grow. Thank you.